Great day, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, our topic is all about 30, 60, 90-degree right triangle theorem. Our objectives are illustrate and explain 30, 60, 90-degree right triangle theorem and solve problems applying the 30, 60, 90 right triangle theorem. So now we will have the second type of special right triangle because the first type of a special right triangle is 45, 45, 90-degree right triangle theorem. So let's proceed with 30, 60, 90 triangle. And let's discover the relationship between the side opposite the 30-degree angle, the side opposite the 60-degree angle, and the side opposite the 90-degree angle. Okay. So here we have the 30-degree. The opposite side of this angle is the shorter side. And the opposite side of 60-degree is the longer side. And lastly, the opposite side of our right angle or 90-degree is the hypotenuse. Okay, always remember that. 30-degree, the opposite side of 30-degree is shorter side. The opposite side of 60-degree is longer side. And the opposite side of our right angle or the 90-degree is always the hypotenuse. Okay. The 30-60-90 special right triangle theorem can be used to find the length of any side of a right triangle when the length of one side is given and the angles measures 30-degree and 60-degree. Okay? So the shorter side, to find the shorter side, we have the longer side over square root of 3. To find the longer side, we need to multiply the shorter side to square root of 3. To find the hypotenuse, we need to double the shorter side. Okay? So shorter side, so x is represent as shorter side here. Okay? So hypotenuse is equal to 2 times shorter side. Longer side is equal to shorter side times square root of 3. Okay, so to find the shorter side, we need to divide longer side by square root of 3. So let's have an example. Find the values of x and y of the given triangle. So we have the given 40 centimeter, I 4 centimeter, and we have x and y. We need to find the value of x and y. So i-determine muna natin kung nasan si shorter side at si longer side and the hypotenuse. So si 4 centimeter, siya po ay si shorter leg. Si y is the longer leg, which is the opposite of 60-degree angle, and x is the hypotenuse, the opposite of the 90-degree angle or our right angle. Okay? So let's solve for x first. We have, so x is our hypotenuse. So to find the hypotenuse, we need to uh, multiply shorter leg to 2. Okay, we need to double the shorter leg. Okay, since ang ating shorter leg ay 4, times 2 lang natin siya, we have 2 times 4 is 8. So, our hypotenuse is 8 centimeter. Next is solve for y. Solve for y. So, y is our longer side. To find the longer side, we need to multiply the shorter side to square root of 3. Shorter side times square root of 3. So, our shorter side is 4 times square root of 3. We have 4 square root of 3 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the longer leg is 4 square root of 3 centimeter. Ganun lang siya kadali. Next, example number 2. Find the values of n and m of the given triangle. So our given is 2 square root of 5 centimeter, m and n. Okay. We need to determine which is the hypotenuse, shorter side, and the longer side. So n is the shorter leg because it is the opposite of 30-degree angle. And 2 square root of 5 is the longer leg because it is the opposite of 60-degree angle. And m is the hypotenuse because it is the opposite of 90-degree angle. Okay, so let's solve for n first. N is our shorter leg. So to find the shorter leg, we need to divide a longer leg by square root of 3. Okay, so let's substitute the longer side. 2 square root of 5 over square root of 3. In Okay, so since we have a square root in our denominator, we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by square root of 3. So we have 2 square root of 5 over square root of 3 times square root of 3 over square root of 3. 2 square root of 5 times square root of 3 is 2 square root of 15. And square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9. So since we can simplify square root of 9, we can extract square root of 9. So our answer here is 2 square root of 15 over 3 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the shorter leg is 2 square root of 15 over 3 centimeter. Okay, next we have solving for m. M is our hypotenuse. So to get the hypotenuse, we need to double the shorter leg. Okay, 2 times shorter side or shorter leg. Let's substitute. We have 2 times 2 square root of 15 over 3. We need to multiply 2 times 2 is 4. So our answer here is 4 square root of 15 over 3. Okay. Therefore, the length of the hypotenuse is 4 square root of 15 over 3 centimeters. Next. Okay. So, do you have any questions? So, this is your activity. Show your solution. I hope you're learning.